Hi, my name is James, and I'd like to welcome you to my layoff journey.
Okay, so let's see. We're going to check out our room here on the Luminosa. This is room 7209. It's a balcony stateroom. Got pretty much the standard sofa, nice bed, pretty comfortable. Got some aging drapes, I think. It looks a little older, but let's go out here on the balcony. That's pretty nice though, roomy balcony. And here you can see we're still in port. There is downtown Seattle right over there. So, and this room has the ability to be an adjoining room. Pretty much our standard cabinetry that's in here in most of the other ships. TV is a little larger than some of them. Yeah, that's pretty much the same. But I did have a note in here from my steward. Welcome to your milestone cruise. Happy 25th. So pretty nice. That's pretty nice of them to recognize. So we've got the standard closets here. And in our bathroom. Looks pretty much like all of the other bathrooms. Nothing spectacular, nothing special. But pretty nice little room. This is so if you're coming on the Carnival Luminosa and you have a balcony stateroom, this is pretty much what you can expect. All right, and this is also a balcony room on the Carnival Luminosa, but this one has been set up to have 2 twin beds. So it makes it still pretty spacious in here. Got the balcony out here. Pretty nice. Pretty roomy. That door is open, but we're having them come and lock that. And then over here, you'll get the same view as we had in the other room, except we had a queen size bed. And this is room 7208 on the Carnival Luminosa. Bathroom is absolutely identical.